Okay, it's update 3. It's September 20th, and I got some more done today. It took a while. I'm learning.
Take a deep breath and remember, the gods got this.
All right. Oh, you're sniffing a sauce, huh? All right, I had to use an extra piece of the T111, but I'm learning. This will be the other door. I got it marked out. I just got to cut it. This is what took a while because I did it. Not that I did it wrong. I put the side up and then cut it from the inside, which was a nightmare. And then I had to brace it. Jake, don't be looking over there. I don't know what's out there. All right. And here's the inside. You can see I had to brace that window. But they're pretty much where it's going to sit. You can see the exhaust. I got to put the two doors here and here that'll open. And then I put this piece on. I got to get some beetle tape. To put along. I got a little of it, but I got better stuff. And this way it'll catch where these grooves are. That's why I put this up. Oh, jeez. You can see. So this way the rain won't go behind. It won't come in this way because the beetle tape in this will protect it. So I have to do the I already cut them, and I'll get all of that in, and then I got to do a side and then a back. So it's coming along. Hope to get it done soon. Come on, Mr. Jake. And I guess it's going to be a chipmunk house because they're like all inside of it. Jake, come on. All right, yes, you good boy. All righty, so it's another nice day. I'm telling you, it's like maybe 8 in a row. So, as they say, or as I say, until next time, God bless.